Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Surveillance Lecture Series on the subject of English Instructional Design. Okay, now let's go to the topic for today's meeting. Hello everyone. Today's topic, I will talk to you about the intensive explanation regarding the ADDIE model. I will talk to you about the evaluate phase. In this case, we have gone through the stage or phase of the analysis, design, develop, implement. And for the last phase is evaluation or evaluate. We will cover the explanation regarding with the awareness, knowledge, behavior, and also the result. Evaluation is the last stage of ADDIE method. So this is the stage in which the project is being subjected to meticulous final testing regarding the what, how, why, when of the things that were accomplished or not accomplished of the entire project. So this phase can be broken down into two parts, formative and summative. The initial evaluation here actually happens during the development stage. The formative phase happens while students and instructional designers are conducting the study, while the summative portion occurs at the end of the program because it is like a summary. The main goal of the evaluation stage is to determine if the goal have been met and to establish what will be required moving forward in order to further efficiency and success rate of the project. Here you can see that evaluation is the last stage or the last phase of the ADDIE method. So every stage of the ADDIE process involves formative evaluation. So this is a multi-dimensional and essential component. Evaluation is done through the implementation phase with the aid of the instructor and the students. So after implementation of a course or program is over, a summative evaluation is done for instructional improvement. Through the evaluation phase, the designer should ascertain whether problems relevant to the training programs are solved and whether the desired objective are met. Jadi di sini terkait dengan evaluasi, ya, seperti Anda ketahui bahwa ini merupakan langkah terakhir dari model desain sistem pembelajaran ADDIE. Evaluasi adalah sebuah proses yang dilakukan untuk memberikan nilai terhadap pengembangan bahan ajar dalam pembelajaran. Dilakukan dalam dua bentuk, yaitu formatif dan summative, or in this case we have a kind of summary, so in the end of the project. Evaluasi formatif dilakukan pada setiap akhir tatap muka mingguan, ya, terformat, terstruktur. Kemudian evaluasi summative ya, dilakukan setelah kegiatan berakhir secara keseluruhan. Dalam hal ini misalkan rentang semester, maka per semester. Evaluasi summative juga mengukur kompetensi akhir atau tujuan pembelajaran yang ingin dicapai. Dan hasil evaluasi digunakan untuk memberikan feedback atau umpan balik terhadap pengembangan bahan ajar. Kemudian revisi dibuat sesuai dengan hasil evaluasi atau kebutuhan yang belum dapat dipenuhi oleh tujuan pengembangan bahan ajar. Terkait dengan evaluasi terhadap pengembangan bahan ajar, ini bertujuan untuk mengetahui berbagai hal. Ya. Yang pertama adalah sikap siswa terhadap kegiatan pembelajaran secara keseluruhan. Kemudian yang kedua, peningkatan kemampuan siswa yang merupakan dampak dari keikutsertaan dalam kegiatan pembelajaran. Yang terakhir adalah keuntungan yang dirasakan oleh sekolah atau lembaga akibat adanya peningkatan kompetensi siswa melalui kegiatan pengembangan bahan ajar dan pembelajaran. So here Um, Evaluation is an essential step, and it aims to answer the following question actually. The first is determine the categories that will be established to evaluate the effectiveness of the project. Apakah improve learning, apakah increase motivation, or on both factor or criteria. So will the effectiveness of the project be determined? Then next, you need to determine the way you will the way you will implement the data collection, as well as the timing at which it will be effectively made. So when will the data related to the project's overall effectiveness be conducted, be collected, and how? Then the next will be determining a system for analyzing participant feedback. How about the system? Then determine the method to be used if some part of the project need to be changed. Then next we have to determine the method by which reliability and content validity can be observed. It deals with the validity and reliability of the test, kevalidan dan tingkat kepercayaan dari tes tersebut, reliable or not. Then you need to determine the method by which you will know if instructions are clear. Then how is the clarity of the instruction assessed? Then you need to determine the method by which you can analyze and grade the response of the participant on the project. Okay. Then the next we have to determine who gets to receive your final output regarding the project. Who will prepare this report on the result of the evaluation? So those 8 questions will determine regarding with the evaluation process in the last step of ADDIE method. Intinya adalah setiap tahapan proses ADDIE ini melibatkan evaluasi formatif. Ini adalah multidimensional. Kemudian evaluasi dilakukan dalam selama tahap implementasi dengan bantuan instruktur dan siswa. Setelah pelaksanaan pembelajaran selesai, evaluasi sumatif dilakukan untuk perbaikan pembelajaran. Perancang seluruh tahap evaluasi harus memastikan apakah masalah yang relevan dengan program pelatihan diselesaikan dan apakah tujuan yang diinginkan terpenuhi. Oke, di sini peran teknologi pendidikan dalam mengembangkan pembelajaran bermutu yang mengarah kepada pemecahan persoalan belajar siswa dapat didesain dengan menggunakan sumber belajar, diantaranya bahan ajar. Pengembangan bahan ajar perlu merujuk pada model pengembangannya guna memastikan kualitas bahan ajar dalam menunjang efektivitas pembelajaran. And now for the last, I will talk to you about how will you evaluate your students. Ask yourself. And then how you combine between evaluative and formative and summative evaluation. Then you need to discuss the strengths and weaknesses of ADDIE. So put your answer